Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to download Keynote on your MacBook. First, to download Keynote, you have to open your App Store. Now click on the search bar and type in Keynote. Now scroll down until you see this logo, click on it. You can see Get button here if you have not downloaded this app before, and you'll see Cloud-like button if you have already downloaded and installed this app, so click on it. Now your download has been started. It may take some time depending on how fast your internet is. After your download is completed, you can see Open option here. Click on Open, and following this simple step, you have downloaded Keynote app on your MacBook. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.